Hi guys, this is Jian again, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into this. A LEGO UFO MOC with an integrated LED light source. I'm not so sure how should I call it. Is it a lamp, a UFO, or UFO lamp? In this video, I'll be walking you through the process behind this build, breaking down some of the techniques I used, and then, of course, providing you with a step-by-step tutorial so you can create your very own. Exciting, right? But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you will never miss out any of my LEGO creations. Alright, let's get started. So after I built the arcade charger stand for my Apple Watch, I wanted to tackle more home projects out of LEGO. When I was browsing Amazon the other day, I found many of these cheap LED display bases, which can be powered either by USB or batteries. I think these are made for crystal display or something, and I was like, can I make something out of it? And I remembered, I have an unfinished UFO prototype. Why not combine these two? Just like that, this LEGO UFO lamp was born. Now, let's talk about techniques. As you can see, I have used lots of these ball joints in this project to achieve that sleek and circular saucer shape. It's all about layering those ball joints to create flexible connections. It's always challenging to do something round or circle object out of LEGO. So why these ball joints? Although it's not the only way to achieve that look, I think using ball joints are easier to build three-dimensional curved slope. It's a little bit tricky. It needs a little bit of patience and persuading to bend the shape that you want. Once the structure was set, the rest was a breeze. Just lay down some plates and tiles to cover it. Then you will have a classic flying saucer in hand. Now, if you just want to build a LEGO UFO and don't need to light up, you can just finish it with a simple base. But if you want to light that up, you will need one of these LED bases. For this, you can just find something similar to suit your need. And I will drop a link below, so you can just grab one for yourself. As I remembered, there are two versions. The one I'm using is the RGB color version. As for the base, it's just a simple black box to house the LED base. I have even added ventilation slot for cooling purpose, and a slot for operating and charging. In order to let the light go through, you will need a transparent plate to properly secure the light beam. As you can see, I use this 8x8 transparent plate here, but that one is really expensive and rare. It was only in a set back in 2000s. It was this one. What? Anyway, it cost me $10 Canadian. And currently, you cannot find any in North America, at least on Bricklink. But there is a good news. You can use a couple of these 1x2 plates as alternative, which are very common to find. I'm having two versions in my instruction, and you can build either one of them to suit your need. For the base surface, it's just a muddy ground with random terrains. You can always get creative to build whatever you like. A grassland maybe? Enough chit chat, let's get building. I hope this project will inspire you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Until next time, happy building and bye!